Recess just got a whole lot better in Richland One. Through renovations and upgrades, students across the district have new and improved playground equipment and spaces. Building Services Director Melvin Henry gives us a quick rundown.
What you'll see here is a combination of strength, skills, balance, decision making, and of course the fun aspect of it. We still have the old swing sets and the slides. You can stack up what we've done here in Richland One against any other district.
Famed storyteller and poet Darion McCloud stopped by W.A. Perry Middle School to speak to the student body. McCloud held an assembly for each grade level to help students stay motivated for the new school year. Save the date and make plans to join us Saturday, September 17th at the Columbia Metropolitan Convention Center as we honor the newest members of the Richland One Hall of Fame. Honorees are Kay Span Bird, a 1971 graduate of C.A. Johnson High School, Dr. Tanya C. Dillahay, a 1975 graduate of Lower Richland High School, Alex English, a 1972 graduate of Dreer High School, Dr. Deborah D. Hazard, a 1986 graduate of Lower Richland High School, and Henry C. Young, a retired Richland One educator. The gala will begin with a red carpet reception at 5 p.m. and the program will begin at 6 p.m. Musical entertainment will be provided by national and international recording artist Cam West. Any proceeds from the gala will benefit Richland One's Academic All-Stars and Educational Ingenuity Grant programs. Purchase tickets online at r1galatickets.org or call the Richland One Office of Communications at 803-231-7504 for more information. And now, a gaggle of tweets from across Richland One. From the Office of School Readiness and Pre-K Programs. Pre-kindergarten is celebrating a great start to the school year. Look at our bright new learners in action. From Vondre Whaley, principal of W.J. Keenan High School, our Keenan Cluster Parent Pep Rally was lit last night. What an incredible display of community, schools, and district support. From Dr. Sandy Broussard, Richland One Chief of Teaching and Learning. What a treat to spend time with Creighton students, teachers, staff, and administrators today. The positive energy in the school was invigorating. That's a look inside Richland One.